Happy New Year! Chef David Rose, Omaha Steaks Executive Chef. New Year's, new beginnings. With this healthier version of a guilty pleasure, Chinese takeout.
With this sweet soy-topped sirloin and a quinoa fried rice.
All the flavor, but a healthier version. Let's get into it.
Seasoned with salt, pepper, and paprika. Soy sauce, honey, garlic, ginger, sambal chili, rice wine vinegar, and sesame oil. Set for 5 degrees lower than your target temperature and cook for 2 hours. And we baste, slice into 1-inch medallions. Eggs and scramble. Yellow onion, scallion, garlic, and asparagus. Cooked quinoa, sriracha, soy sauce, and cilantro. 3, 2, 1.
So start the new year off right. Chopsticks not included.
Omaha Steaks, America's original butcher.